Have you ever felt that familiar tug of wanderlust? The irresistible call of the open road or the distant horizon beckoning you towards adventure? But, as with any great expedition, careful planning and preparation are key to a truly rewarding journey. Join me as we uncover the common pitfalls that can turn a dream vacation into a travel nightmare and learn how to avoid them. The packing process, that age-old struggle of trying to fit a lifetime's worth of belongings into a single suitcase. It's a trap many of us fall into, but the consequences of overpacking can be far-reaching. Imagine arriving at your destination, weary from travel, only to be faced with hefty baggage fees. And then there's the physical strain of lugging those oversized bags through bustling airports, crowded train stations, or cobblestone streets. Lay out everything you think you need, then ruthlessly edit it down. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched, and remember, laundromats exist in even the most far-flung corners of the globe. Packing light is about more than just convenience. It's about freeing yourself from unnecessary burdens and embracing the true spirit of travel. We live in an age where information is readily available at our fingertips. Yet many travelers still embark on their journeys armed with little more than a plane ticket and a vague sense of adventure. While spontaneity has its merits, failing to research your destination can lead to missed opportunities and avoidable frustrations. Thorough research allows you to delve beneath the surface of guidebook cliches and uncover hidden gems, authentic local experiences, and unique cultural insights. Consult online forums, read travel blogs, and utilize mapping tools to familiarize yourself with your destination. Plan your itinerary loosely, allowing for flexibility and unexpected detours. Chapter 3: Navigating New Waters. The importance of local customs. Every corner of our planet is imbued with its own unique tapestry of customs and traditions. What may be considered polite in one culture can be deeply offensive in another. Failing to acknowledge and respect these cultural nuances can lead to misunderstandings, awkward encounters, and even unintended disrespect. Imagine visiting a place of worship dressed inappropriately or unknowingly, using a hand gesture that carries negative connotations. Take the time to learn a few basic phrases in the local language, even if it's just hello and thank you. Familiarize yourself with local customs regarding dress code, dining etiquette, and social interactions. By embracing cultural sensitivity, you'll not only avoid faux pas, but also gain a deeper appreciation for the richness and diversity of human experience. Chapter 4: A safety net for the unexpected. The importance of travel insurance. We all dream of smooth sailing on our travels, but the reality is that unforeseen circumstances can arise at any moment. A sudden illness, a lost passport, a delayed flight. These are just a few examples of events that can quickly derail even the most meticulously planned trip. That's where travel insurance comes in, acting as a crucial safety net to protect you from the financial and logistical burdens of unexpected events. Travel insurance provides peace of mind knowing that you have support and assistance should the unexpected occur. It's a small price to pay for the security and reassurance it offers, allowing you to fully embrace the adventure knowing you have a safety net in place. Chapter 5: Time flies when you're exploring. Mastering time management on the road. Time, as they say, waits for no one, especially when you're on a tight travel itinerary. Poor time management can lead to missed flights, rushed sightseeing, and a nagging feeling that you've only scratched the surface of your destination. Effective time management is essential for maximizing your travel experience. Plan your days realistically, factoring in travel time, potential delays, and adequate time for meals and relaxation. Prioritize your must-see attractions and be prepared to be flexible with your itinerary. Remember, it's better to fully immerse yourself in a few key experiences than to spread yourself too thin and end up feeling rushed and overwhelmed. Travel is about savoring the journey, not racing towards the destination. Outro: Until our next adventure. As we've seen, a truly unforgettable journey involves more than just booking flights and packing bags. It requires careful planning, thoughtful consideration, and a willingness to embrace the unexpected. By avoiding these common travel mistakes, you'll be well on your way to creating memories that will last a lifetime, filled with wonder, discovery, and a deep appreciation for the world around us. So pack your bags, plan wisely, and embark on your next adventure with confidence and a spirit of curiosity.